Hello everyone, Ryan from Huckabuy again, and today we're going to be talking about how to install our structured data software on your website. If you go to support.huckabuy.com, click on onboarding and click on structured data JavaScript installation, the article. This video will be included as well as instructions on how to install via HTML or Tag Manager. So really quick, let's just show you how to install via HTML, and then you can follow the directions on how to do that, or you can install via Google Tag Manager. So your onboarding will actually be sent to you, and you'll have a link that'll look exactly like this, except it'll have different address in it. This script is what you would install in what you call the head of your website, and it's before what we call a closing head tag. So there are some frequently asked questions on here on how structured data works, so you're more than welcome to take a look at those. Now that's very, very simple to do, especially for a developer. So please feel free to send that link over to them. Now adding via Google Tag Manager is very, very simple, and it's the preferred method as well. So once you've done that, and here are the steps to actually do that, you have to create, a new tag that's custom HTML. Make sure that that trigger is firing only on the pages that you want it to fire on. So if you want to exclude some pages from structured data, you can go ahead and exclude those. I wouldn't necessarily do all pages if that's the case. Other than that, all pages, and then save. Once you publish the tag, it'll be live, and you can try it out by clicking on the Verify My Installation link. Once you click on Verify Installation, that actually notifies our team that you're up and live, and we'll begin implementing the structured data markup on your website. So if you have any further questions, please feel free, go to support.huckabuy.com. Remember to click on onboarding and structured data JavaScript installation for full instructions on how to do that. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon.